If you're just strolling on the street and you're looking for that natural remedy that will help glow your skin, then you are on the right place, because today I'm going to be sharing with you the amazing benefit of saffron for achieving a glowing, radiant, and amazing skin. So just imagine yourself getting a brighter skin, a healthier skin complexion without any harsh chemicals. That is what you want for yourself, right? And if that is what you want for yourself, then saffron is what I'm going to be sharing with you today, because saffron is loaded with nutrients that can help your skin look vibrant, feel nourished, and gives you that feeling of a healthy skin. So saffron even offers protection against sun damage and can help fade dark spots. So if you're new here, thank you for joining. If you've watched this video to this stage, thank you for joining, and do well to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I drop a new video. So in this generation today, a lot of youths are looking for natural remedies because they are tired of using product-packed chemicals to get a glowing skin. But instead of them getting a glowing skin, they get a worse skin damage. And some of you out there are already tired. I am assuring you that saffron is going to help you. If you are consistent, you are patient, you know your skin type, then you are good to go. Saffron goes with all skin type, and saffron is that part of a flowering plant that has been harvested and dried, and you can get it in the Middle East, in country like Kuwait, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and even Lebanon. And this is because they use it in their meal, they use it in their tea, they use it in their coffee, they use it in almost everything. All right, they use it in the production of cream, they use it in the production of soap. So you can use it at home in mixture with other ingredients in order to achieve a glowing skin. So if you want to use a saffron, you can take few strands of saffron, you mix it with honey, you let it be for 10 minutes, and then you apply it on your body or on your face, and then you leave it for 1 hour and you wash it off. Make sure at the moment that the mixture is on your face or on your body, don't go under the sun, because the reaction with the sun can cause skin damage. So after that, you rinse it off with lukewarm water and you can apply your cream. And be sure to know that saffron works well for most skin types. So if you have oily skin, be caution, all right? So if you have sensitive skin, patch test. Always try to patch test to see if it have some reaction with your skin. If it doesn't have any reaction with your skin, then you can go well to apply it on all your skin, and then you enjoy the brightness afterward. Now, if you've watched this video to this moment, please tell me at the comment section, have you ever used saffron before to achieve a glowing skin, to achieve a healthy skin? If yes, how did you mix it? Because I'm here to learn. As you're learning from me, I'm here to learn from you. So do well to share with me in the comment section how you use saffron to achieve a glowing skin. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.